First reading, Ephesians chapter 2 verse 19 to 22. So you are no longer aliens or foreign visitors, you are fellow citizens with the holy people of God and part of God's household. You are built upon the foundations of the apostles and prophets, and Christ Jesus himself is the cornerstone. Every structure knit together in him grows into a holy temple in the Lord, and you too, in him, are being built up into a dwelling place of God in the Spirit. Responsorial Psalm, Psalms chapter 19 verse 2 to 3, 4 to 5. Day discourses of it today, night to night hands on the knowledge, no utterance at all, no speech, not a sound to be heard, but from the entire earth the design stands out, this message reaches the whole world. High above, he pitched a tent for the sun, who comes forth from his pavilion like a bridegroom, delights like a champion in the course to be run. Gospel, Luke chapter 6 verse 12 to 16. Now it happened in those days that he went on to the mountain to pray, and he spent the whole night in prayer to God. When day came he summoned his disciples and picked out 12 of them. He called them apostles, Simon whom he called Peter, and his brother Andrew, James, John, Philip, Bartholomew, Matthew, Thomas, James son of Alphaeus, Simon called the Zealot, Judas son of James, and Judas Iscariot who became a traitor.